Welcome to our store. In this video, we'll show you how to place an order step by step on PC, mobile web, and our app. First, let me show you how to place an order on our website using a computer. You can browse by category. Open a category from the navigation bar, then select the product you want. Or you can search instead. Just type a keyword in the search bar and open the product from the results. Choose your preferred version and quantity. Then click Add to Cart or Buy Now to continue. After successfully adding the product to your cart, click Checkout to pay immediately, or click Go to Cart to see and manage your items. Click Proceed to Checkout in your shopping cart to proceed to the next step. Enter your shipping information, including your name, phone number, full address, and postal code. If you have a coupon code, enter it here and click Apply. You can also use your G-Coins to get an extra discount. Choose your preferred payment method and then click the payment button on the right to complete your purchase. Now that you've seen the desktop process, let's move on to the mobile web version. Tap the menu icon at the top of the page and tap Categories to enter the category page. Browse the categories and tap the product you want to view. Or simply search for a product using the search bar at the top and open the product page. Tap Add to Cart or Buy Now, then select your preferred options and tap Add to Cart or Buy Now again. Tap the cart icon to open your shopping cart. Tap Checkout to proceed. Tap the plus sign at the top to fill in your shipping details including name, phone number, full address, and postal code. Scroll down to the coupon section, enter your coupon code and tap Apply. You can also use your G-Coins to save more. Select your preferred payment method and tap Pay Securely Now to finish your purchase. Finally, here's how to place an order using our app. Inside the app, you can browse products from the Categories tab, or you can also use the search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. Open the product page. Tap Add to Cart or Buy Now, then choose the product options and tap Add to Cart or Buy Now again. Tap the cart icon in the top menu to view your items. Tap Checkout to continue. Tap the plus sign at the top to fill in your name, phone number, address, postal code, and other information. If you have a coupon code, enter it here and tap Apply. You can apply your G-Coins to save more on your order. Tap Place Order in the bottom right corner to proceed to the next step. Select your preferred payment method and tap Pay to complete your purchase. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy a smooth and easy shopping experience.